All right, let's get this meeting started. Anybody know where the dongle is so that I can share my blueprints?
We don't use dongles here. With Engage by Hyperwall, we can easily and wirelessly share content to the display over Wi-Fi through any web browser. Engaging is easy. Just follow the instructions on the welcome screen to get started.
Team, here's the blueprint for Model 1 of the spring development. What do you think?
Looks great. I'd like to also share the blueprint for Model 2 of the spring development. Let me take over the screen.
With Engage, we can all share content to the display simultaneously.
Awesome. Let me try. As you can see, Model 2 will have a great mix of open living and private spaces.
This looks great. Jim, how about the track map and land survey you were working on?
Coming right up. I'll share both to the screen now.
How did we ever do this without Engage?
Looking good. Let's now review the press release announcing the groundbreaking for the development.
On it. Sharing now. Let me promote this content.
That small text is still pretty hard to read from here.
No problem. Let me spotlight my content. You can also use the focus button to view content full screen in high resolution.
Lastly, let's review the budget. The content I need to show is very sensitive. With Engage, I can make it private so that it's only displayed in the meeting room and not sent out where someone can screen cap or record it. Only in-room meeting participants can see it. Sorry, remote team.
Boss, Engage is so much better than the old dongles we used to use. Does it require any proprietary hardware to work?
No, it's just software running on the conference room PC. And it was really easy to set up. Engage by Hyperwall is simple, seamless, secure, and built for maximum meeting productivity in today's hybrid work environments.